This method is used to repair damaged circuit surface planes. The damaged areas are repaired with dry film epoxy, adhesive-backed copper foil discs. They are bonded to the circuit board surface using a bonding press or bonding iron. The minimum skill level needed to complete this procedure reliably is advanced. The conformance level reached when this procedure is completed properly is high. See the web page for a list of the tools and materials required to complete this procedure. The procedure follows. Step 1. Clean the area. Step 2. Secure the circuit to a precision drill or milling system with a microscope available for viewing. Use an end mill slightly larger than the void in the surface plane and make a counter bore through the surface plane only. Do not mill into the laminate material, you may expose inner layer circuits. Note: several adjacent counter bores may be required to fill larger areas. Step 3. Clean the area with solvent. Step 4. The area for the new adhesive back disc on the board surface must be smooth and flat. If internal fibers of the board are exposed or there are deep scratches on the surface, they should be repaired. Refer to the appropriate procedure. Step 5. Select a replacement adhesive back disc that matches the size of the end mill used to make the counter bore. Note: the thickness should be selected to meet the requirements of the circuit board surface plane thickness. Step 6. With the adhesive back disc positioned film side up, carefully scrape off the adhesive film from the outer 0.005 inches of the disc diameter. Step 7. Position the adhesive back disc, film side down. Place a piece of high-temperature tape over adhesive back disc, position the adhesive back disc into the counter bore. Press the adhesive back disc into position. Step 8. Select a bonding tip with a shape to match the shape of the adhesive back disc. Note: the bonding tip should be as small as possible but should completely cover the entire surface of the adhesive back disc. Step 9. Position the circuit board so that it is flat and stable. Gently place the hot bonding tip onto the tape covering the adhesive back disc. Apply pressure and heat as recommended in the manual of the repair system or repair kit for 5 seconds to tack the adhesive back disc in place. Carefully peel off the tape. Step 10. Gently place the hot bonding tip directly onto the new adhesive back disc. Apply pressure and heat as recommended in the manual of the repair system or repair kit for an additional 30 seconds to fully bond the new adhesive back disc. The new adhesive back disc is fully cured. Carefully clean the area and inspect the new adhesive back disc for alignment. Note: several adjacent counter bores may be required to fill larger areas. Step 11. Using flux and solder, carefully add a small amount of solder to a soldering iron with a blade-shaped tip and flow solder over the repaired area. Step 12. Using the blade-shaped soldering tip and desolder braid, remove any excess solder. Step 13. Clean the area. Step 14. Using the electric or hand eraser, clean and buff the soldered area to blend the repair to the circuit surface. Step 15. Using high-temperature tape, mask off an area larger than the repaired area. Step 16. Using the abrasive pad, lightly buff the masked area to further blend the repair to the circuit surface as necessary. Step 17. Clean the area. Final finish. Step 1. Blend the surface type using an appropriate buffing material or abrasive pad. Step 2. Matte and semi-gloss surfaces may require light abrasion in order to blend to the original surface finish type. High gloss will require polishing. Step 3. Remove any loose particles as necessary and clean the area. Evaluation. Step 1. Visual examination. Step 2. Electrical tests as applicable.